Umema,
Ali,
Umar,
Ali is not there.
Ali is not there. Yes.
Ali, Umar. No, Umar is there. Ali and Umema.
Hi, Khatija.
Umema is there.
Good morning.
Hi. No, Umema is not there.
Mana?
Yes.
Yes, Mana. Mana, can I see you? I am not able to see you. How was the Independence Day? Hi, Mana.
Ma'am, you can guide me.
Remind me.
How was the Independence Day? How was Independence Week? Was it excited?
Nice.
Yeah, you loved it. So what did you do? You baked cakes, cupcakes?
No big cupcake. No big cupcake.
No?
No baked cupcakes.
You didn't bake cupcakes? Why?
We made cupcakes.
You made. Okay, you didn't bake it. Okay. Hi, Mustafa. Good morning.
Ma'am, you can hear me.
Sorry?
You can hear me.
Hi, I can hear you, but your voice is breaking a bit, you know. Hello, Mustafa Qazi. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, Musfira Sayyad. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. So everybody's there. Only Ali is not there, right?
Umema is not there.
Zainab, where are you? Zainab, I can't see you. Zainab?
Now you can.
Good morning, Zainab.
Now you can.
Yes. Good morning, Zainab.
Good morning.
Zainab, tilt your screen toward yourself, Zainab, because it's very blurred. Your
Yes.
screen is very blurred.
Zainab, I love your haircut, you know. You have a very cute haircut. Okay, where's Ali now?
Ali and Umema is not there.
Even
Not joining.
Umema. Yes, Umema is not there.
Ma'am, they will be joining shortly, maybe, because they were there in the first class.
So can I start, ma'am?
We have 2 more minutes. Can we wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll start?
Yeah.
Exactly
No
by
problem.
11 o'clock?
Shazia ma'am,
Yes. Yes,
you
Manha.
can new game.
Yeah, I told you that I will show you a new game, but your teacher is already here. So I will show you in the next class. Is it all right?
In SDG.
Yes, just come before 5 minutes before. So we can play that game, okay?
I will come in 50 only.
Okay, 50, okay. 11:50. 11:50 we'll play a game. Okay, fine? Manha? Okay, fine. So Ali is joining in and only Umaima is left.
Ma'am,
Yes, Maima was there actually.
Yeah, Umaima was also there. Yes, Manha. Yes, Manha.
Hatija is showing his clay that we made. In
What is
sand.
she showing? What is she showing?
Clay.
Clay. Yes, I want you all to keep that clay very safe because we are going to use it on Wednesday. Okay? Okay, Khatija? Yes? Okay. Very nice.
Good morning, Ali. Ali? Ali? Umema, I want everybody to, unmute yourself. I want to see you. Yes, Ali. Good morning, Ali. Where were you? Okay. Let's quickly start with the class. In the last class, we have done with 2D shapes and some of 3D shapes. Okay. We'll take a quick revision.
Vidhi ma'am, I have made you a co-host so that you can control the kids, like, you know, when do you want to mute them or when you want to unmute them.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
There is all shapes in this only.
Yes, we have all the shapes in this.
There is circle, oval, hexagon, triangle.
Okay. One by one, we'll quickly do the revision. The first figure you can see is the triangle. We have these are two-dimensional shapes which are flat, you know. Triangle. It has three sides.
I mean 2D shapes.
Yes, 2D shape. There's a triangle with three sides and three corners or vertices. The square with all the equal sides. It has four sides and all the four sides are equal. And it has four vertices. This is again a four-sided figure, rectangle. The third figure is rectangle. Rectangle has four sides and not all the four sides are equal. The opposite sides are equal, the opposite edges are equal, and it has four vertices. The fifth is pentagon. It has five sides. In this figure, you can see all the five sides are equal. Not always the five sides are equal, but in this figure particularly, we have all the sides equal, and it has five corners or five vertices. And then we have a six-sided figure, that's hexagon. It has six sides and six vertices. These are all 2D shapes.
Ma'am, where is octagon?
Yes, octagon. This the third side is octagon. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The third figure here is octagon.
Octagon. How many octagons have octagon?
This is octagon. It has 8 sides, right? And is 8 vertices, 8 corners you can see, and it has 8 sides, right? And we have circle. Circle, it has no vertices, no corner. So everybody is clear with 2D shapes?
Yes.
Very good. What is this?
Cube.
Cube. And this is the three-dimensional shape. It's not flat. It has the number of edges can.
It has 8 sides.
Sorry,
Ma'am, it's a cube.
this is a cube.
Ma'am, it has 8 sides.
8 sides. Okay, let me ask one by one. Umema, can you tell me the number of edges or number of sides? Umema, quickly, fast. Zainab, where till then you can count the number of vertices. And Mana, you can count the number of faces. I'll ask one by one. Mana, faces, Zainab, vertices, and Umema, the sides.
This cube.
Yes, Umema, tell me fast.
Ma'am,
Umema, I can't hear you, Umema.
ma'am,
Yes?
faces, second meaning, second word.
Uh-huh.
What
You're
is
asking
that?
me. Faces. Okay, I'll let you know. Let me get the answer from Umema first. Umema, I asked you about the number of edges or the number of sides, you know, the lines you can see. Umema, I can't hear you. Can you connect your headphone? Yes?
I know vertex.
Vertices. Wait, let Zainab answer the number of vertices. Zainab, are you done with number of vertices?
8 edges.
Zainab, tell me. 8. Zainab, speak a bit loudly, you know.
It's 8.
8. Very good. And Umema, number of sides, number of edges. Come on, fast.
Cube has 8 vertices.
Umema, I can't hear you. Okay, let's go to Musfira Sayyed. Musfira Sayyed, can you tell me the number of edges? Umema, you can, show me your fingers. How many this? Or I'll start with the annotation for Umema because she's not able to speak. I can't hear you properly.
Ma'am, I'm counting.
Yeah, count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Umayma has written 11.
11.
Yeah, she has written.
Okay.
She has written on
Umayma.
chat.
Okay.
8 edges. There are 8 edges.
8 edges. See, edges again, we'll count it one by one. See, anyone else with some other answer? 8, 11 and
10.
10. Okay. See, we'll count one by one.
8. Sorry, 8.
8 edges you're talking about, right? 8 edges.
Okay.
So this is 1. We'll count it, okay? This 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is
pay attention there, Mukta.
yes. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. These are 4 in the top and 4 in the bottom. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So 4 plus 4, 8. We have 2 here. 9 and 10 and 2 this side. 11 and 12. I've been asking everybody to take a cube at your home, look for a cube at your home and keep counting the number of edges, number of sides. Don't get confused. But you don't count when you... But this is only when you are attending the class. I want you... You have a cube, but did you count? Did you count it for me? This was your homework, right? From today onwards, you'll have your assignments every day. I'll make it sure you get the assignment so you don't forget the concepts. Okay. Now let's see the next figure. I was talking about the faces. The faces is nothing but, see, we have a square here. Cube is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 5, 6 squares you can see. Right? Cube has 6 squares. The squares are the faces of a cube. So there are 6 faces and all the 6 faces are squares.
I already counted that there is 6 faces.
Huh? Very good. Now, anybody can show me a cuboid?
Man, 16. Cuboid.
Yes.
Cuboid. This. Man,
Khadija will do this. This will do, but I have one with sharp corners.
Yeah, but no.
I know. Hello.
Yes, Ali, I can. This is, what is this, Ali? I can't see it. There are spheres in it. Cuboid, the blue color one, right? Yes.
Cube also.
Yes.
There's a circle also.
This is an eraser, right? Musfira Sayyed, you're holding an eraser. What is this? Yes, it's a cuboid. Very good. Mana, very good. Umema? Musfira Rizwani? Zainab, I want a bit thick one, A thick, I can't, yeah, will do. Zainab, it will do. If you can see all the faces, I want a thick cuboid, you know. I want a cuboid.
Ma'am, this is
Ali? Ali, I saw your figure. Umayma? Yes, Mana, it will do.
this will do.
Yeah, very good, Khadija. This will do. If you can see all the sides. Musfira Rizwani, can I see a cuboid?
Will you have my cup full?
Yes, even this will do. Zainab, this will do. This is a perfect one, you know. Keep counting a number of edges.
Ma'am, a suitcase.
Okay. I want everybody to write in the chats the number of sides, number of faces, and number of edges. First the edges, then faces, then vertices. Faces, edges, vertices. FEV. I want everybody to write in the chats. Come on, fast.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am. What is faces? Second word.
Faces is, see, the 2D shape you can see. How many 2D shapes you can see in that object, you know? Come on, write. I want everybody to write in the chat quickly.
I cannot write very well. Vertices.
Vertices are a number of corners. You have to write in the chat box. Do you know to write in the chat box?
Ali, you can click on the chat icon and start using it. Ali, I want you to learn. We all are here to learn something new every day. So Ali, I want you to use the chat, okay? And this is just a number which you have to write. So you can do
Yes.
it, Ali.
And it's FEV. Faces, edges, vertices.
Appear again.
First, I want number of faces, then edges, and then vertices. FEV. I want in the correct order. Yes, Mana?
Ma'am,
Huh?
2D or 3D?
Sorry, Mana?
2Ds or 3Ds? Ma'am, like this?
Yes, Umar. Umar, we have to count the number of faces, edges, and vertices. And faces are 2D figures you can see. Face, the definition of face is the number of 2D objects you can see. Yes, Musfira Sayyed? Yeah, but you have to write it in the chat, Mana. You don't have to bring those objects. You have to write in the chat. Everybody has to write in a chat.
First,
Zainab,
yes.
Zainab, you have written 9, but you have not written what it is, whether it is a faces or vertices, what it is. So you have to use the initial letter, either V, F, or edges. If you are writing edges, so you have to use E, initial letters.
By mistakenly.
Okay, by mistake.
Okay, no
So
problem, no
use
problem.
it again. Write it again. Even Khatija has given the answer, ma'am.
Yes, I'm just in the chat box.
Okay.
Khadija, 6 sides you mean to say, na? SISS.
9. Yes, 6 sides. Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, my 6 faces come. Amma 16, 1, 6
I want everybody to write in a chat box. I don't want a verbal answers now because I want, everyone's answer now.
Ma'am,
Yes, Mana?
I written 6 faces.
Yeah, I can see your answer.
Ma'am, second one, can you hear me?
Yes, Umayma, I can hear you now.
Ma'am,
Yes, Mana?
what is second? Faces and?
Faces, edges, and vertices. Faces is the 2D figure you can see, the number of 2D figures, In a cuboid, you can see a 2D figure. Cuboid is made up of?
Is made up of
Rectangles. So how many rectangles are there?
11,
I don't want anybody to count loudly, Just give the answers quickly.
Ma'am, we want to count the corners also.
Yes, but not of the cube. I want a cuboid. Okay, I want everybody to hold a cuboid. Musfira Rizwani, you're holding a cube. You're counting with the help of a cube, right? I want a cuboid. Any eraser or book, any box, any three-dimensional made up of rectangles. I don't want squares.
Rectangle.
Yes, any three-dimensional figure made up with rectangles. Yes, this will do.
Perfect cube.
But it should be thick. It should be quite thick. It shouldn't be thin. Yeah, Ali, it's a cube, but you had showed me a cuboid, right? A green color cuboid earlier. Okay, let's see the answers. Musfira Sayyed, you have just written 16. What is 16? Musfira Sayyed?
Ma'am, this is fine.
Okay, keep counting fast.
Ma'am, this is fine. Ma'am,
Musfira Sayyed, I can't hear you.
I am done.
You are done. Very good.
I am done.
Very good, Khadija. Very good.
Ma'am, this is
Yeah,
Ma'am,
Musfira Rizwani, it's very thin. I want a thick object, a thick book. A fat book, or a box, or eraser if you're holding it. If you're holding an eraser.
I'm also done.
Yes. Now it's 9 sides. Yes. Yes, Musfira, it will do. Keep counting. You are done. Very good. Very good.
Manha, we can't see your chat, Manha.
Ma'am, I'm written. Ma'am,
You have written very good.
ma'am, this
Vidhi ma'am,
Let-
can you see Manha's chat?
ma'am, this
Because I can't see her. I think
No, ma'am.
No. Manha, we
Ma'am,
can't
is
see your
this
chat.
okay, thick book?
Yes, Mustafa.
Means, ma'am,
We can't see you. Where are you writing, Manha? Chat. Are you using? Just check where it is written to. It should be. It should go in everyone, not privately to anyone. Okay, just check that
everyone.
to everyone. But we are not able to see. Even Vidhi ma'am is not able to see.
I don't. Ma'am,
Mana, can you? I'll ask you the answer orally later on when everybody's done. Give me a second. I'll check everybody's answer now. Umema, it's 11. Umema, it's 11. 11 what? Then I got
Basis advertises eating advertises colors. Lines. Hit. Advertises सिर्फ काउंटनी क्यों बाकी सब करेक्ट कोड पे क्या है मैम
yes. I'm just checking. I am checking the answers now.
मैम this is fine the file was cut to two four, three, one, two, three, four.
The answers are not exactly correct. Some of them are correct. The faces are correct. The edges, everybody has written, but 16, 10, 8 edges. Hamana, tell me your answer. Tell me your answer orally. The number of edges. Eight. Okay. And number of this sides, number of vertices. Umar, I've got your answer. 8 vertices. And number of faces?
Ma'am, I write address in the chat.
Okay.
Correct?
Number of edges are again wrong. Number of edges are number of lines you can see. If you count the number of lines, they are actually 12. There are 12 edges in a cube and a cuboid. There are 12 edges, and no one has given me the right answer for this. Khadija, you have written 12 vertices. Vertices are the corners. Can you count the number of corners? It's 8 corners. And Zainab, 9 sides. Musfira Sayyad, 16. You have not mentioned 16.
4,
And 8 edges.
5, 6,
Umar total 16 vertices. Vertices are the corners, the you know, where 3 edges meet. So I haven't received correct answer from anyone. I haven't received. And let me see. Umrima Patel, you have given me 9 sides and 8 edges. Zainab 9 sides. Yes.
Mama tell 8 exams.
8 edges, but even the 8 edges are wrong. 8 vertices are there. So tell me one thing, are you not able to count the number of lines you can see on the box or a cube?
We can see.
But why can't you count it properly? Okay, give me a second, I'll get one object for you, a big object for you. Give me a second.
Ma'am, can
Yes?
we use the white screen? So maybe
you can.
they finding it difficult to write it together, like the edges, the faces, and the vertices. So can we use the whiteboard? Maybe I
Yes,
think like they are getting little lost.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. What is this? No, ma'am. Again, it's 8 edges. Is not the correct answer. Let us count it one by one.
Seven.
What is this?
I am writing cube.
Look it carefully. Is it a cube?
Cube.
Or a cuboid? Very good. It's a cuboid because you can see the rectangle. It's not a square. It's a rectangle. Okay. So how many edges you can see here? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? Just turn and the opposite side. Again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 4 are 8. Right? If we see here, right, we have already counted these sides. Don't count them again. We have counted. We are done with this side. We have 9. We have 10. We have 11. We have 12. There are 12 edges. I don't want you to learn if things, mug up things. When I want you to understand the edges, So edges are the lines you can see. Either you can, you can do one thing. You can draw a line with a pen so that you don't recount the same side. Okay? So there are 12 edges, right? Very good. And we have 8 vertices. Very good. Now, Ali, can you tell me the faces, number of faces? Can you write number of faces? I want only Ali to write.
Number of faces.
Yes.
Miss, put that to in it, Matthew.
On a cuboid.
can tell it. It's 6.
6. Very good. Very good.
Huh?
Zainab, Zainab,
Ma'am,
Busy.
wrote 6.
yes, very good. Umaima, I saw answer and I'll tell you whether you're right or wrong. Which one? Very good, very good. Zainab, Zainab, can you tell me the number of vertices, the number of corners I'm holding? What is this, Zainab? First, can you tell me what is this? Zainab, what is this?
Yes.
What is this? Which shape is this?
Ma'am, is everything correct? I wrote it on chat, ma'am.
Yes, Umaima, I saw your answer earlier. I'll tell you later on. Zainab, can you tell me which is the shape I'm holding?
Ma'am, can you stop share the screen so that they can see you? Oh, yeah.
Zainab, can you tell me the object I'm holding? Wait, let Zainab answer. I don't want anyone else to answer. It's cuboid. Very, very good. And
It's cuboid.
very good, Zainab. I hope everybody is clear with the number of edges, the lines. Zainab, can you see the lines?
12 edges. 12 edges.
Everybody's clear. Musfira Sayyed,
8
8
edges.
what? 8 edges?
No. 12 edges.
Yes.
6 faces. 8 vertices.
Okay. Musfira Sayyed, are you clear with the edges, the sides you can see? Musfira Sayyed, unmute yourself and answer me fast.
Yes,
Umaima, are you giving the answer? You're giving the right. Khadija, are you clear with the edges? Khadija, are you clear with the edges?
ma'am. 12 edges.
The
What
12
are
edges.
edges? What
The
are edges?
The edges are these sides,
Ma'am, can
these
I
lines.
explain her?
Yes, please do.
Okay. The edges are the line that meets.
These lines,
Yes.
where two faces meets. Actually, the edges definition is where two faces meet, two rectangles meet at this line. So
4,
these
5.
we call as edges. Edges. The lines, you need to count it. You have to carry a 3D object, a cuboid with yourself. You can hold it and start counting. And take a pen, so that you don't repeat the lines you counted. Draw a line there. This is done. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is done. We have 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have to keep counting, okay? Now I'll show you the next figure, The next, I want you to take a paper, a paper and roll it into a cone. Everybody tear a paper and roll it into a cone. See, I have a book. You can make a birthday cap out of that. This is the cone, If you can't make it, then later on you can ask your parents to help you out with the cone. But this is the cone. Right? It has one sharp corner. Yes.
Ma'am, how? See, in my speaker it is da, da.
Yes, even I'm getting disturbed. So you can mute yourself. You can mute yourself, Mana, so that everybody can. Okay.
How to make cone?
Just you have to roll it out. You have to roll it out like this. If you can't do it, leave it. Then you can ask your parents to do it for you, but later on, okay? But try to make a cone now. This is a cone, right? I'll show you. Mana, can you mute yourself?
Ma'am, I'm mute only.
Okay. But it's not disturbing now, okay? See, there's a cone here. Can you see a cone here? Which figure is a cone? Ali, can you tell me? Which is a cone? 1, 2, 3,
Third
or 4?
figure.
Third figure, right. So,
There
Right.
is a cone.
right. There's a cone. Right? Okay. You can see the circle here. A circular shape, a 2D figure circle here. Right? Circle at the base, yes, Mana, you can see the circle here at the base. At the base, you can see the circle. So this is the face. You can see that there's one face in the cone. That's circle.
Ma'am,
Yes,
how to make this cone?
you can ask. Yes, you can ask your parents to help you out with this later on. But I want you to do it. Okay, later on after the class. Now this is a cone. There's one face. You can see that there's only one face. That circle. That circle is one face. And there are no edges because there's only one face, one 2D face we can see. So there are no two faces meeting.
edges.
Ma'am,
Are there any edges in that? No.
Zena, can you show me your cone? It's looking nice. Yes, very good, Zena. Very good, Zena.
ma'am, please, now.
Okay, if you roll it like this,
My cone.
very good. Very good, Rizwani, Mr. Rizwani. I can see. What is this? What is this?
A cylinder.
Very good. This is cylinder. But if I roll it like this, like a birthday cap, it's a cone. And cone has a circular face, only one face. Very good. So you can start making shapes
Ma'am,
with the papers also.
this is a face. And one vertices.
One vertices. Very good. Okay. Let me clear one thing. Can you tell me the number of vertices one by one? Ali, number of vertices? 1. Ali?
Vertices.
Yes. 1.
One.
Yes, cone. 1. Mustafa Qazi, number of vertices fast? Mustafa Qazi, number of vertices in a cone?
0.
0. Very good. Okay. Musfira Rizwani, number of vertices?
This vertice.
1. Khadija, number of vertices? 1. And Mana, number of vertices?
1.
Umayma, number of vertices?
1.
Oh God, every one is wrong because it has no vertices. It has 0 vertices. Do you know why?
There's one vertex.
No, that's a sharp corner, but vertices are something where more than 2 edges meet. How many edges does it have?
0.
0. If 0 edges, so 0 vertices. Vertices are not exactly, they are not corners, but they are something where more than 2 edges meet. There are no edges, there are 0 edges, so there are 0 vertices. Huh?
There are 2 edges.
Can you show me the edges? But you have opened it, you know, you have opened it. If I keep it in a cone, in the shape of a cone, it has no edges. Edges are flat, you know. It has a curved edge, you can say. Edges are something where two faces meet, you know. But there's only one face. So there's one face, no edges and no vertices. There are zero faces, oh sorry, zero edges and zero vertices say. But we can say it has one curved edge. Okay? We'll quickly try to, you know,
Nasi.
I want everybody to mute yourself. Everybody mute. See, cube, there are 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Square, cuboid, we have 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Cylinder, we have 3 faces. 2, you know, if you take a cylinder,
Ma'am,
if we take a cylinder, we have one face and the other circular face and one curved face. We have 3 faces, 2 edges, 1 edge and 2 edge and 1 vertex, you know. And then we have a cone. We can say 1 corner, okay. We can say 1 corner, but there are 0 vertices. Sphere, we have 1 curved face, 0 edges and 0 corners. Okay, so these things you have to learn it. Okay, you have to learn it. Keep counting and keep learning things, you know. We'll take a quick revision. I have a, you know, a homework for you actually. Okay, you have to name me one by one, okay? The first one. Mustafa Qazi, the first one. Cube. Mustafa Qazi, name the figure, edges, vertices, face, quickly. Mustafa
What?
Qazi.
I can't hear you clearly, ma'am.
Okay, see, the first figure you have to give me the name of the first figure, the number of faces, number of vertices, and number of edges.
Yes.
Hmm.
The first one is a cube. It has 6 faces.
I want only Mustafa to answer, okay?
Okay. Has 6 faces.
Hmm.
Wait, ma'am.
Yeah. Take your time.
8 sides. It has 6 faces, 8
Uh-huh.
sides, and 8 sides and
There are no words. I don't know any word with sides. I am asking you about the edges, number of edges. I
Edges.
don't. Yeah.
edges.
Okay. The 8 edges you ends. Okay. And the vertices?
Vertices are 9.
9. Okay. Zainab, can you answer it for me? Zainab? No, Zainab will answer for me. Mana, I have a difficult question for you. Wait.
What is the answer?
The first figure, the number of faces, vertices, and the edges.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Huh? Zainab, let Zainab answer. Yes.
The first one,
Yes.
it is a cuboid and
Very good.
and it has 8 sides.
Okay.
Wait. It has 8 sides and And this is like cuboid.
Yes, cuboid. But then tell me the number of vertices, the number of corners. You know, the number of corners.
6. 6.
Corners. I want Zainab to answer.
Number of
Corners. You know, in a cuboid.
6.
6 corners. Can you count it again? 1, 2, 3, 4.
8 corners.
I want
8 corners. 8
corners.
corners.
Very good. But again, Zainab, it's a homework for you. Take a big box, you know, take a big cuboid and count number of edges for me. Later on in the next class or in the homework, I want you to count it and give me the answer. I'll give you the homework on the Google Classroom, you know, there will be a big worksheet, you have to answer it, okay? Okay, Mana, can you tell me which is the third figure? Can you tell me the name of the third figure, Mana?
Phone. It's phone.
Oh, number of faces?
Faces.
Yes.
1.
1. And number of corner, no, I'm not talking about the vertices, a corner, a sharp corner.
1.
1.
1.
Yes, Mana?
Ma'am, whenever my chance is there, somebody tell it.
Okay, no one will prompt in between, okay? Only
Okay.
I want Mana to answer. Yes, Mana.
One face.
One face, that is?
Face.
Yeah, which face you can see? You can see a square, you can see a rectangle, you can see a circle.
Circle.
Very good. Okay, now tell me the, sharp corner, number of corner.
Upstairs.
Yeah. Tell me the number. How many corners? 1. 1. Yes. But number of vertices would be 0, right? Corner would be 1, vertices would be 0. Okay.
0.
And number of edge, number of edge, number of sides.
Edge is not there.
Not there. But we can see a circular edge, so we can count it 1. Okay. One curved edge. One curved means a curve. It's not a straight line. It is a curved edge. So 0 edges, but one curved edge. Okay?
Curved edge.
Very good. Now, Umema, can you see
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Can you see the fourth figure? The fourth figure.
Yes, it's cylinder.
Very good. Can you tell me the number of faces?
2.
2. Okay. And what are they?
That's circle.
Very good. And number of edges?
Number of edges are 0.
0. And a number of curved edges?
1. 2.
They are 2. They are 2, Mema. See.
2.
One, 2, right?
2.
And the number of vertices?
And opposite. 0.
0. Very good. Very good. What's this?
That is a plane.
Khadija, what is this? I haven't taught you, but I want you to see. Musfira Sayyad?
Triangles. 3D. It's a
Triangle
plane.
Very good. Musfira Sayyad, can you tell me what is this figure, the fifth one?
I know, ma'am.
You know, wait, I'll come to you. Musfira Sayyad, can you tell me the name of the figure you can see? Do you know?
And you did not teach us what is this.
I did not teach you. Yes, I did not teach you. But if anyone knows, you know.
Ma'am, I think I know.
Yeah, Mustafa Qazi, please tell me.
Triangular shaped prism.
Very, very good. That's really, really good. It's a triangular shaped prism, you know. And
It's just like a plane.
it's just like a plane.
Yes.
Okay. So actually, in a prism, you know, Musfira Rizwani.
Ma'am.
Musfira Rizwani,
Ma'am.
do you see this? Have you seen this figure anywhere?
Ma'am, I know, ma'am. Egypt.
Egypt, very good. It's a pyramid, very good.
Pyramid, yes.
Yes. And
Ma'am, who is Muhammad? Ma'am, I went to Egypt.
who has been to Egypt?
Oh,
Who has gone
Mama.
to Egypt? Umema, great.
Yes.
How was it? How was it? Did you see the pyramids?
It was very hot. Yes, I
Okay.
saw the pyramid.
Oh, great. I want to go there, you know.
Who
Okay.
went to Egypt?
Okay. Tell me how many triangles you can see. Okay. How many triangles you can see in this figure?
Pyramid.
Yes. Umar, how many triangles can you see in this figure?
Banana.
No, I want Umar to answer. Umar, how many triangles?
What?
How many triangles can you see in this figure?
Banana. Ma'am,
Huh?
please, that
Let Umar to answer. I want Umar to answer. Umar,
is. What, ma'am?
can you tell me the number of triangles in a prism, a triangular prism? Okay, Mana, tell me.
Two.
Two? Okay, Umar, give me your answer.
No,
Umar,
ma'am, three.
three. Okay, Umar, what is your answer?
One, two, four.
Very good, Umar. There are four triangles, you know. One is behind this. How? See, I'll tell you. You know, there's one triangle, there's two, there's a below, and there's one triangle, you know, behind that. It's a 3D figure, you know.
Ma'am,
Front and back.
you tell which is this picture's figure. You don't tell that
I asked you how
opposite
many.
one.
I asked you. I told you how many triangles this figure has. See, look at this now. How many triangles you can see?
Four.
Four, right? So that's four triangles, right? And can anyone count the number of edges for me? Zainab, can you count me the number of edges, Zainab?
Please.
Wait, Zainab, can you count me number of edges? Number of edges are somewhere where two triangles meet.
Ma'am,
Yes?
in that there is pyramid also in this shape only.
Yes, Ali, it's pyramid in the same shape.
Six
Six?
edges.
Six edges.
Yes.
Ali, how many edges? Zainab, come on quickly, give me the number of edges. Zainab, you can unmute yourself.
5 edges.
5 edges. Zainab, you?
6 edges.
4 edges.
6 edges.
Okay. Amana, your answer is 6. Ali is 6 edges. Zainab, your answer is 4 edges, right? Zainab, how many edges?
Yes.
4 edges you say, right?
6 edges.
6 edges. Umema?
4.
Umema, you said 6
6
edges.
edges.
And Musfira Rizwani, how many edges?
6 edges.
Musfira Sayyed, how many edges? Musfira Sayyed?
6 edges.
Okay, Umar, how many edges?
Safia is still sleeping.
Umar, can you count the number of edges?
Sleeping. Ma'am, 6 edges.
4 edges. Umar, your answer is 4 edges, right?
Edges.
Yeah, the answer is 6 edges. And let us count
yes.
one by one. Yes, you can see 6 edges.
Yes, 6 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good.
And ma'am,
Yes,
4 vertices.
4 vertices. Okay, great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 5 and 6.
6.
right? And number of corners of edges, 1
5. 5. It is 5.
is 5.
Ma'am, we need to wrap the session.
Yes, ma'am. 1, 2,
Ma'am. 4. Shazia ma'am. Or
we have 5 edges, 1 at the top. Even this is an edge, you know. So we have
Yes.
5 edges.
I already said it is 5 edges.
Yes, I heard it. I heard it. Yes, Mana. Yes, Mana. So we have learned today about the cone and the triangular prism. What about sphere? Sphere has 0 edges, 0 vertices,
Yes.
and 1 curved face. Only 1 curved face, right?
The circle.
Circle. Circle is a 2D figure, the sphere. Yes, Khadija, this is a sphere, right? Khadija is holding a sphere and it has...
triangles also.
Okay, but I want you to show me the next session. I want everybody to get a cone, a cylinder. If you can try with triangular prism, try it out. It's very easy. Okay, and a sphere. A sphere you can take a ball. You know, I want everybody.
Pyramid also. I
Not
have a
pyramid.
pyramid also. I have
Very
5.
good. Get all these 3D objects next time. When I take a revision, I want everybody to have a cylinder, cone, sphere, cube, and cuboid. Everybody to have these shapes. Okay.
Ma'am.
And today you will get a homework.
Ma'am.
You will start counting the number of edges, sides,
Ma'am, see you,
and
ma'am.
assignments. Umema? Yes, pyramid. Wow.
Pyramid, sorry.
Yes. Yes.
Pyramid.
But can you, Umema, can you show me the base, you know? Can you show me the base of the pyramid? See, it's a square. Yeah. So this is a square-based prism. But I was talking about the triangular base. There should be a triangle at the base. You know, there are 2 types of prisms. You know, one is a square base. There are 4 triangles, and one is a triangle.
I only have a square base.
But you can try building it. You know, you can ask your parents to help you with a triangular base prism. The base should be triangle. Try, you know, do some artwork, you know, some craft work. You'll have fun. Okay, take your help of your parents to cut.
I'll
You know,
try.
don't use scissors. Take the help of your parents and try it out to build a cone, cylinder, prism. Both the prisms, cube, cuboid, and a sphere. Okay. And don't forget to do today's homework. I'll send homework.
What is that?
I will send you. It's a big assignment. It is a big worksheet. You have to do it. Okay?
Where?
I'll give you in the Google Classroom. You know, you have Google Classroom homework. So assignments there. I'll give it. And Shazia ma'am will let you know about it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Bye, ma'am. Shazia ma'am.
Yes, Manha, I'm ready for you. Tell me, Manha. I'm ready for your questions.
55.
Yes, so be ready with all your materials. We are going to make a
I
round
want
today,
one
okay?
only. Carton. My mummy. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye everyone. Just prepare all your materials and come back at 12 o'clock, okay? Chalo, bye-bye. Vidhi ma'am, I will speak to you on phone.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Chalo, bye everyone.
Oh.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, bye everyone. Swati ma'am, I think so you are, Swati ma'am, are you there? Okay, I'll just end the meet right now and then we'll come back again at 12 o'clock. We just have 5 minutes, okay?
Ma'am.
Swati ma'am, I'm ending the meet and we'll come back at 12 o'clock again.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye everyone.
No worries.
Bye, bye.
Is it-
Bye.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Shazia, it is okay. You continue. I'll join in at 12:05. I just wanted to check the link, so that's why I had joined in.
No, ma'am, it was not my session. We just ended the session. So I'm just end the meet so that it could record. And then I'll come back at 12 o'clock. Is it all right?
Okay.
You
Yeah,
can
yeah,
join
fine,
in
sure.
again. You can join in
Yeah,
again.
sure.
Okay? Bye,
Yeah, sure.
everyone.
Bye. Yeah.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, everyone.